Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I am here to actually show you a DIY fashion video. Now this video I have been working on since Monday, and I just took my graduate time, and what you'll need for this video is none other. Oh, here we go. E6000, a paintbrush or a glider to spread out the E6000 glue, and some AB crystals and pearls of your choosing that are flat backs. And make sure you have a picker that picks up these items. And let me just tell you something. I worked on this. So what I did is very lightly, gradually added in the crystals. But I just wanted to come and show you what it's looking like. So I just, yeah. And you're going to need a baseball cap. Now this baseball cap I purchased from Dollar General. And this baseball cap is by the company called Infinity and stuff. So I actually did this cap to make it a little more girly and everything. And y'all, it looks very well in themed. Yeah. So let me show y'all. That's what it looks like. But yeah, that's what the it actually looked like. I will go back in a little later and just at a few spots add a little more to it, just to fill in certain spots and things. But I think it turned out pretty well and stuff. So I hope everybody enjoy this YouTube video until then. And this is what I've been doing, mostly during the quarantine, creating things that you wouldn't be able to find in store. So until then, y'all, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.